Clippers are great for short haircuts, but what if you don't want a buzz cut? Introducing the HairFin hair length guide set for cutting 2, 3, and 4-inch length hair evenly. You can go from a haircut that looks like this to this. To use the HairFin, you can mount it between any 2 fingers on either hand. You want to have that rounded part facing forward. Then you can pull your hair straight and put the HairFin in place. Once in place, you can cut any hair above it with confidence. Alternatively, you could take the hand with the HairFin mounted and use it like a comb and grasp hair and then pull it straight. Now, my wife, who is not a hairdresser, is going to demonstrate how anybody can cut hair evenly with a HairFin. I can also cut my own hair using the HairFin. Instead of using scissors though, I use an electric trimmer to make sure that I don't go and cut myself. The great thing about the HairFin is even if you miss some hairs, you can always go back and find them with the HairFin, and you're always going to get a perfect haircut without cutting too short. And after a few minutes of trimming away with a 4-inch HairFin, we are left with the perfect haircut.